Hello everyone, just wanted to show you a toolkit that we're busy packing up to ship over to the US. This is a complete structures kit that was configured for a customer's requirement. So if you have a look in this drawer, we've got some inspection measurement, some hammers and punches. In this drawer we have some clecos and high-lock installation and removal tooling. There's also a bit of space here so they can add some tooling to suit their requirements down the track. Some files, snips and saws and pliers and cutters. Drills, drill bushings, hole cutters and some deburring tools. Rivet guns and rivet snaps, some tungsten bucking bars, a few other associated riveting equipment. And again, some more riveting equipment. Rivet squeezers, and in here we've made up some little sets of dimple dies and a little rivet squeezer set. Very comprehensive kit. So this kit, as I mentioned, was fully customized as per customers' requirements. We do this on a regular basis and we're shipping this over to the US, and thanks for watching.